Several months ago, a friend graciously printed this helmet for me, but it came in 14 pieces and it was really daunting for me to look at. I finally got the courage to put it together, and when I did, it was kind of an epic fail. I mean, really, I was really close to throwing this thing in the trash. I was under the delusion that if I primed it, it would look better. In fact, it actually made it worse, and it tore through files really badly. After lots and lots of hours of hand sanding later, I got it to the point where I could start kind of filling a little bit. I used wood filler like I usually do, but I wasn't really pleased with the results with it. Thankfully, somebody told me about modeling paste, and it really made all of the difference. Not only did it fill in sections, but I could also fix areas that were needing to be rounded or whatever, and it sanded like butter. It was so smooth, and look at the primer on this job. It's so much better. Thankfully, somebody had posted on one of the Sabine groups some templates for her helmet, so I was able to also sketch those on. And look at it, it's night and day. It looks so different. I didn't have to throw it away, and now on to the fun part.